Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make ice cream. Firstly, in a saucepan over low heat, combine milk, cream and sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is hot with a thin ring of foam. Now transfer to a pourable container and stir in vanilla extract. Chill for at least 2 hours and pour the cold mixture into an ice cream maker. Churn for 20 to 25 minutes following your machine's instructions. Now, all you have to do is to serve or freeze. If you're intending to serve it fresh, just serve immediately for soft server style. And if you are planning to freeze it and eat it later, for firmer ice cream, cover with plastic wrap and freeze for 2 to 3 hours. Now, you can scoop, serve and enjoy your homemade vanilla ice cream as you like. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.